So hi guys, so this evening I want us to go through an Excel sheet and basically what an Excel is. So go to your computer, on the open button you search Excel, it will open the application. So when you open the application, I just want us to go through the basics of an Excel sheet. So we say blank worksheet. So this is how an Excel worksheet looks like. Sorry for that. So basically, as you can see from here, these are the rows. This is what we call rows. And then the A, B, C, D and the others, they go all the way to a long list. So these are the columns. And then we have here file. This is home where you can find your recent files. There we can go to blank workbook. You have welcome to Excel. You have a tutorial, pivot table tutorial, Gantt project planner and many more. And then if you want to open a new workbook, you just click new and it opts you for a blank workbook. And then if you have other Excel sheets that you've saved, you come here to open, and then you see there are options here for where you can open them from. Alternatively, if the document you want to open is not available here, you just click the browse button and then you go to where you can see. Let me do it, browse. It takes you to my computer. Then you can be able to retrieve your document from where you've kept it. And then you can see below here you have some other informations like information. So they're telling us some new versions are disabled to prevent problems when working with previous version of Office. So some Excel will be able to check your document for compatibility. For example, if you're using Microsoft Office 93 2016 and then you go open your document in an Excel that has Microsoft Office 2021, it will automatically check for compatibility to see whether your Office 2016 and Office 2021 are compatible, and if you save to a new upgraded version, whether you will get any of your documents will get lost. So then you can be able to protect your workbook. Then there's an option for inspecting workbook, version history, manage workbook, resets. Generally, these options here, you really use them. So then you have the option of save. If you finished with your document, there's an option of save as and save. So you've been given an option of where you want to save. So here you click the name of the file of your document, how you want it to be saved. Then you have the version of the Microsoft Excel that you want to save in, and then you can choose the place where you want to save it. And then we have an option of print. This is where you click to print. It takes you to, if you have printers installed in your machine, they'll come up here. This is where all the available printers in your machine will come up. And then we have share. You can share your document. If you have other options, you see like mine, it's telling me to save at OneDrive. Then you can attach a copy instead in form of Excel or PDF, and then you can share it to where you want it to go. Then you can see there is export, there is publish, and then there is close. Then we have this option here called more. So on more, there is an option called accounts. This is where you are able to see what Office version your computer is using, and if it's licensed or not. My computer is showing we have Microsoft 365 and it's licensed. And then here you can be able to set your background, Office background. We have different options. You see like circuit, you see here it's able to bring some graphics. Then we have calligraphy. Then we have diamonds, it brings diamonds. Have school supplies. You can see a pen, a rubber, a clip. We have other options of spring. You see leaves. So you are able to choose here on what background you want. Then we have themes. We have dark gray. We have black. We have white. We have use system settings, which is almost white, and then you have the colorful version. So you just choose one that fits you. Then you come here, there's another option called options. So under options here, this is where you you can customize your machine to what you want.